How to change notification sound on Messenger. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how you can change notification sound on Messenger. Let's get started. First, open Messenger application on your device. Now once you are in, tap on this menu icon right here and tap on settings right here. Now here, scroll down and you can see notification and sounds right here. Tap on it. Now scroll down and you can see text tone right here in the notification preferences. Tap on text tone and you can change your message notification sound from here. Just choose anyone you like from here like this. Now once you choose it, go back. In this way you can change the notification or let's say message notification sound on your Messenger. And that's it. Hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.